Cameras are essential components of any smartphone these days, and they matter a lot. Back in 2013, we saw an insane 41 megapixel camera module on a smartphone. Fast forward to 2018, that one giant sensor has turned into 3 individual sensors. And when it comes to photography, Huawei knows how to do it. I'm Musneer Ahmed with the Tech Box, and this is the quick look at Huawei P20 Pro. Huawei has been working hard to make the cameras on their phones the best. Last 2 generations of P series were great camera phones indeed. But this time, Huawei has taken it to the next level. More on that in a second. On physical appearance, it looks similar to the Mate 10 Pro, but the gradiented glass back and a notch fingerprint scanner is on the bezel. And fun fact, you can hide the notch by a tweak in the settings. Powering this smartphone is a Snapdragon 845 backed up by 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. Huawei also offers it in a Kirin flavor. Now for the feature for which you are watching this video, the camera. Huawei P20 Pro got a 24 megapixel on the front. On the notch, it can form 2D mapping of the face as the equivalent to Face ID. On the back, it has 3 camera modules. 2 of them are 20 megapixel sensors, RBG and monochrome respectively. And third one is a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. When fired at the same time, they can form a 40 megapixel image. When these cameras are combined with AI software, which Huawei is boasting of, you can get 3 times optical zoom along with 5 times hybrid zoom. These AI abilities also enable it to produce image stabilization. Those sensors do not have optical image stabilization. And other small details to the camera app and also mapping of temperature detection makes P12 Pro a photographer's friendly device. And also, you can record 960 fps video at 720p, which is now more common on high-end smartphones. On the downside, Huawei's software Emotion UI is still cluttery and iOS inspired, and for a glass phone this time instead of a aluminum block, you may better get a case. And overall, we can say that the spiritual successor of Nokia Lumia 1020 has arrived. And that's for the brief overview of Huawei P20 Pro. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss new tech related videos landing every week. And as always, stay connected my friends.